Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear absorber on your car. It's a straightforward process and much easier than replacing the front absorber because it typically involves fewer parts. In this video, we'll walk through each step to get the job done quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, let's start by jacking up the wheel hub. This will help relieve any tension on the absorber and make it easier to remove the bolts. Next, spray penetrating oil on the upper and lower nuts, both front and back. This will help loosen any rust or debris and make it easier to remove the bolts later on. Tip: let the penetrating fluid sit for a while to give it time to work its magic. This will make it much easier to remove the bolts. Use the breaker bar to loosen it first, then switch to a wrench to take it out. Be careful as you remove it, as the absorber may still have some tension. Using an impact wrench is recommended for this job as it makes removing tight bolts a lot easier. Now you can remove the old absorber. Sometimes it might be a bit stuck, so you might need to give it a gentle wiggle to get it out. Before installing the new shock absorber, it's crucial to compare it with the old one. Hold them side by side and make sure they match in length, mounting points, and overall design. This ensures the new absorber will fit correctly and function properly. If there are any discrepancies, double check with your parts supplier. Before installing the new shock absorber, spray the bolt area with a cleaner and use a brush to remove any dirt, rust, or debris. This will ensure a clean and smooth surface for the new bolts, helping them to seat properly and making future maintenance easier. Start by positioning it in place and inserting the upper bolt. Tighten it to hold the absorber securely. Next, use your jack to lift the suspension slightly, aligning the hole at the bottom. This will make it easier to insert the bottom bolt. Before fully tightening the bolts, use your jack to lift the rear suspension by about 10 to 15 centimeters. This ensures the suspension components are in the correct position, preventing any undue stress on the new absorber when the car is back on the ground. With the absorber in place, use a torque wrench to tighten the upper bolt. Make sure to follow your vehicle's specific torque specifications. As the upper and lower bolts might require different torque settings. Now, do the same for the lower bolt, again following the specified torque setting for your vehicle. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your rear absorber. The simple maintenance can greatly improve your car's ride quality and handling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching and happy driving.